We are going into a weather action day as we hit the 4th of July holiday. Now, we're going to be very warm on Monday with highs in the low 90s, but strong storms showing up into the afternoon and evening for the 4th of July. We have a cold front moving through the state, which will bring in cooler air for Wednesday with highs dropping into the 60s for the day on Wednesday afternoon. But for Monday, great pool weather, 87 degrees at noon, 90 degrees by 4 o'clock with partly cloudy skies. Really quiet weather for our Monday. A few isolated thunderstorms trying to get going, but really not much is going to be happening here for the Front Range and the plains for rain. It will be Tuesday when we see the more substantial rainfall moving into the area. So temperatures will be very warm for Monday. 90 degrees at 3 o'clock. Will be in the upper 80s all the way through 6 o'clock. It should be a very dry day though, and we'll have highs in the 90s here from Denver up toward Greeley and Fort Collins. 90s across the plains and down into southeastern Colorado with 70s and 80s for the higher elevations, almost 100 for Grand Junction. We'll have temperatures in the low 90s here for our area. 80s down farther to the south toward Deckers and Castle Rock, 70s toward Rocky Mountain National Park and up toward Winter Park as well. As for our forecast on Monday, we'll have 91 degrees, mostly sunny skies, a nice drag day for us. But on the 4th of July, as we head into the afternoon and evening, we'll have one round of rain into the early afternoon, about 2 to 4 o'clock. And then from about 9 to 11 o'clock, we have more thunderstorm activity moving on through. And we could see some hail, very heavy flooding rain moving through the area. And you see it here on our futurecast for Tuesday. So once we get to about 2:45, we're seeing those strong storms here for the I-25 corridor and storms off to the north as we get to about 4:30 to 5 o'clock up toward Fort Collins and into Johnstown and Loveland. And then once we get toward 9 o'clock, we're seeing more storms come through the area, and some could be strong as well. Like I mentioned, hail, heavy rain, the greatest possibility with these storms as they push through our area and then across the eastern plains going into the late night hours. So it looks like this could be an issue with the fireworks shows that we have going on for Tuesday evening. Hail, heavy rain, gusty winds, a possibility here for that area. High fire danger also through western Colorado for Tuesday as our temperatures will remain dry to very warm and the conditions very dry out through western Colorado. Temperatures in the low 90s Monday, mid 80s Tuesday with those strong thunderstorms, then cooler and rainy on Wednesday with highs in the upper 60s.